In this video we're going to talk about the relationship rewrite method. You will find link to this program in description down below. This method is one of the best and an ultimate dating guide for women, specifically those women who are looking to take control of their love life. This fact cannot be denied that finding love in today's world where people are using dating apps such as Tinder etc. and swiping right and left for hookups is really difficult. But dating shouldn't be too difficult. The matter of the fact is if you have the right techniques and if you really know how a man's mind works and what a man is thinking and looking for in a girl, women, you can really get whichever guy you really want. All these secrets and plenty more you're going to learn in the Relationship Rewrite Method program. James Bauer is the man behind the Relationship Rewrite Method. Let me tell you little background about him. He's been a relationship coach for more than 11 years and is well known in dating community since he had helped thousands of women and teach them how to get the man they want. So by getting this program we guarantee that you will benefit from his expertise and experience. It is easy to follow program and comes with 60 days no questions asked money back guarantee. The only drawback of this program is that it is only available in digital format. Other than this drawback, our team of experts definitely recommend Relationship Rewrite Method as it is going to provide you with various tips using which you are definitely going to get the man you desire. You will find link to this program in description down below. If you like this video don't forget to subscribe to this channel and we see you guys in another video.